Hey, welcome to Sing and Cook on Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana, and I thought, why not share a recipe from my book, Royal Hyderabadi Cooking. But what am I doing? I'm cooking a pan dish in a microwave. So let me check out what am I doing. This one looks interesting. I'm doing a Hara Masala Murgh, which is cooked in the pan, but here I'm doing in a microwave. From my book, The Royal Hyderabadi Cooking, microwave cooking for you. So I've got some chicken, but before that, some onions here. Let me slice the onions fine. Finely sliced onions. I've sliced 3 large onions here. All this go into a microwave bowl. Onions, ginger and garlic paste, 1 large tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, curry leaves, and some oil into this. For this dish, I would also like to add some salt in the beginning into the onions. Let me add some green chilies also to this. So 4 green chilies, piping hot, these ones, because dark green in color. Chop them fine. If you eat less spicy, add less of it. And the trick, apply some oil when you are chopping green chilies. So green chilies into the bowl. Now cover this bowl with a cling film. Now, step 1. This goes into the microwave for 5 minutes. Let's cook this for 5 minutes and do the rest of the mise en place. Into the microwave. Microwave high. Start. Let's take out the bowl from the microwave. This looks to be hot. Let's take out the bowl. Be careful at times. Whenever you take out a glass bowl or a microwave bowl, take it out in a towel so that, or a kitchen duster, so that your hands are protected. Now the onions are nice and soft, cooked here. Next step. Onions nice and soft in this. Half a kg of chicken, which is 1 pound of chicken into this, and add all the rest of the ingredients. Half a cup of cashew nut paste into this, yogurt 1 cup, coriander powder 1 large teaspoon, another large teaspoon, so 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, garam masala, half a teaspoon, salt to taste, some more curry leaves into this. I added in the first to get a nice flavor, some more of them. Finally, Murgh Hara Masala. So where is the green thing in this? I've got some fresh coriander here. Chop fresh coriander leaves. If you want, you can make a paste of the coriander leaves. 1 bunch gone, another bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Now coriander leaves, I always buy the ones which have small leaves like this. You see these small leaves? I love to buy coriander only when they have small leaves like this, because they are more fragrant and the dish is very powerful. It smells very good of coriander. Larger the leaf, lesser the flavor. Hence, small leaves of coriander. So that's the tip of buying fresh coriander. Coriander leaves into my dish and some mint. Let me do some alteration also. Some mint. I love mint. Most of the things when they are cooked green. There's a nice fresh feel of all the mint. So fresh mint leaves chopped into my dish. Chicken Hara Masala, Hyderabadi style from my book. If it is Hyderabadi, you can't miss on coconut. This is fresh grated coconut. Into this, half a cup of thick coconut into the mixture. Now, let me mix this whole thing up. Looks like the bowl is a little small. So let me transfer this into a larger bowl. This whole thing into a larger bowl. Mix up all of this chicken thoroughly. Let me use my hands. Evenly spread the chicken all over the bowl. Some more fresh coriander is what I think I should add in this. So let me add some more fresh coriander. All over this. Don't worry about mixing. We can mix it in the last. Cover this with a cling film. Here's this for the steam to escape. Step 2. Ready? Chicken marinated. Everything inside this. Microwave high. 15 minutes and the chicken is ready to get cooked here. 15 minutes, this dish is ready. All convenience with this equipment. And that's why I love this piece of equipment. I use this to the optimum in my house. It's almost getting over. 15 minutes, 0. That's when the microwave starts calling you. And that's the beauty of this equipment. So let me check. Oh, what do I see here? The gravy is spilled over because the bowl was a little smaller. So whenever you're cooking gravy dishes, you must note that the bowl has to be a deeper bowl, or the content should be less so that the gravy, it bubbles when it is getting cooked in the microwave. So here it's spilled over a bit. Extra work for me. So let's check this out. Great flavors of fresh coriander, cumin, beautiful, isn't it? So let me mix this up. The chicken is also cooked. Finally, I've got some fresh cream here. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add. But in Hyderabadi food, the food needs to be a little richer. So in goes the cream. Half a cup of cream into this. Mix this up thoroughly. Cover this up for the third step. Microwave high, 2 minutes, and the chicken gets finely cooked here. Serve it in the dish you have cooked. But remember that one tip that I've told you, if you're cooking gravy dishes, the bowl needs to be a little larger. Otherwise, double work at home, right? The chicken Hara Masala is now ready. Wow. Looking good and smelling good. If you want to do the microwave style, follow this procedure. And if you want to follow the pan procedure, just go and search for my book and do it exactly the way I've shown in my book. Chicken Hara Masala for you.